In this mini lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make money amounts two different ways. There are many different ways to make money amounts using coins. We're going to start with the penny, the nickel, the dime, the quarter, and the loonie. We're not going to be using the penny today. So here's the first example. Let's make 10 cents. Here is the first way. We can use one dime, and one dime makes 10 cents. But we can break the dime up or change it into two coins that are also worth 10 cents. So if we look at a nickel, one nickel is worth 5 cents, another one is worth 5 cents. So together they're worth 10 cents. So if I wanted to make 10 cents, I could make it using a dime, or I could use it, pardon me, using two nickels. And over here, I've made a little note. We can change one dime into two nickels. It is like regrouping. So it's like when we do base 10 block regrouping. A 10 turns into two fives in this case. Here's another example. Let's make 35 cents. Here is the first way. We can use a quarter, which is 25 cents, and a dime, which is 10 cents. And 25 plus 10 is 35 cents. Now what we can do again is change one of these coins into other coins that are the same value. So in this example, we left the quarter in the second way. So the quarter stays the same, and then dime turns into two nickels. So if we were to count it up, it would be 25, 30, 35. So both of these ways make 35 cents. The next example is 30 cents. So the first way we're going to make it is by using a quarter, 30 cents is a quarter and a nickel. So 25 cents plus 5 cents is 30 cents. In this example, we exchange the quarter into smaller coins that add up to a quarter. In this case, it's a dime, another dime, and a nickel. So 10, 20, 5. 25 cents, and we leave the nickel as it is, 5 cents. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30 cents. So we've made it two different ways. In the next example, we're going to make 60 cents. Here's the first way. We can use two quarters and one dime. So 25, 50, and a dime is 60. So 25, 50, and 10 more is 60. In this example, we're going to leave the dime as it is, but we're going to change both quarters into smaller coins. So this first quarter, we're going to change into a dime, and a nickel. So 10, 20, and then 5 more is 25. Over here, we have another quarter, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to change it into two dimes and a nickel. So a quarter is 25 cents. So one dime is 10, another dime is 20, and a nickel is 5 more, so 25. And we leave the dime as is. So in this case, we've made the value 60 cents by having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. In this example, I'm going to do it in front of you. So I want to make 80 cents. I know I can't use a loonie because that's more than 80 cents. So I'm going to go to a quarter, and I'm going to take 1 quarter, 25 cents. Then I'm going to take another quarter, that's 50 cents. I'm going to take another quarter, that's 75 cents. I'm at 75 cents. Now I need 5 more cents. I'm going to add a nickel to it. And now I've made 80 cents one way. Now I want to make it a different way. And this time I'm going to go side to side. So let me line these up a bit. So I'm going to leave this quarter as is. So we come across here. We're going to leave that quarter as it is. So there's 25 cents. We're going to leave this quarter as it is. So that's 50 cents. This quarter, we're going to change into 2 dimes and a nickel. So we're going to take, sorry, we're going to put a dime here, another dime here, and a nickel here. So now this quarter has been changed into 10, 25, 2 dimes and a nickel. And this nickel, we're going to leave as is. So now we've made 80 cents 2 different ways. And let's see how we've done that. We have 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. And that's how we make money amounts using different combinations of coins.